by phone.
Yeah, I just want to mention to the court, suspect number 3 was arrested at Cleveland as per case 96/2/2015.
Ususpect okanye umsolwa wesithathu waboshela khona laphana eCleveland ngaphansi kwale case number leyana 96/2/2015 96/2/2015 yase Cleveland.
What was the charge?
Possession of firearm,
Utholakala ke ethole isibhamu wathwala lokuqala.
then the normal procedure at station level.
I think yes.
The normal procedure at station level. My lord, I just want to give a
Yeah.
a brief background. The normal procedure at station level, when the person has been arrested, the firearm has been handed in, booking a SAP 13.
Manje ke indlela ke ukusetshenziswa ngakhona khona laphana police station umuntu makaboshwa sibhamu siyathathwa sifakwe ku SAP 13.
And if you've got a cell phone in your possession, that's also been handed in.
Uma ngabe une cellphone kuwena nayo iyafakwa khona lapho.
Then the docket, the case will be booked out to investigation officers.
Kanti ke idoketi izokhishwa ke okanye ibhukwe iswe kulona ke ozophenya icala.
His responsibility will be to took the firearm to forensics for test,
Kanti ke yena umsebenzi wakhe kuyoba ukuthi ke kusemahlombe ukuthi athathe lesi sibhamu asiseke siyoviphinywa khona laphana kuyi-forensic.
and they must take the cell phone to the war room.
The war room.
That's correct, the war room. They call it the war room.
Athathe ke i-cellphone ayise kuyi-war room.
Can you just explain what is the war room?
The war room is it's where they analyze and download all. It's like the 10,111.
Tishifane nje ne-10,111, they download. You say they download.
They download the phones and they analyze crime and
Bathatha ama-cellphone, bathatha i-cellphone kanjalo ke bese baya-downloada. Bathi ke ukucwaninga babhekisise ubugebengu setshenziswa leyo cellphone.
and then they must also apply for section 205 on that number.
Kuleyo nambolo futhi kwamele ukuthi benze isicelo se-section 205.
And on this stage, my lord, I have to mention the investigation officer didn't know about the involvement of this case. He only applied for 205 information until the 1st of October, 1st of November 2014.
Manje ke ubengazi ukuthi khona leli cala elinjena wenza ke isicelo kusuka ke nge-1 zika November, 1st of November.
1st of November 2014.
Nge-1 zika November 2014 wazama ukwenza leso sicelo se-section 205 nge-1 zika November 2014.
At the war room, the downloaders will download the phone and they will give the information back to the analyst.
Kanti ke kwi-war room kanjalo baya-downloada ke kule cellphone bese banikeza lona ke okwaziyo ukuthi azosebenza nayo leyo information lolo lwazi.
In some instances, the downloader and the analyst is the same person.
Kwesinye isikhathi lona o-downloada nalona ke ozama ke ucwaninga okanye ukubhekisisa umuntu oyi-one nje, umuntu oyedwa.
In this incident, it was Sergeant Mabasa.
Kanti ke kulesi sigameko beku Sergeant Mabasa.
He did do a complete analysis of the phone, of the download.
Yena ke owacwaninga ngokupheleleyo le cellphone lena.
And he will come and present it to the court.
Uzoza lana enkantolo ke akwazi ukuzothula lobo bufakazi.
We confirm that we'll be calling Sergeant Mabasa.
Okay.
But I received during the investigation a request from my Brigadier Govinda,
Uma siloko siphenya kanjalo ke kwaba nothize engikutholayo kuchama khona laphana ku Brigadier Gininda
that I must go through the photos on the download
ukuthi ke ngibheke ke lama amaphoto lana ke.
You wish download now
Download.
just for record purposes?
the download of cell phone number 27727
So wait. 27
727
Yeah, 727.
66
Yeah.
8169.
Ama download ke kumeneke naleyo number 827 727 668169.
And where does that handset come from?
The handset was in the position of suspect number 3 when he was arrested for the
Okay.
possession of firearm.
Ganti ke leyo phone yatholakala ke kumsolo wesithathu ngenkathi eboshwa ke tholakala ePettisbamo kungekho semthethweni.
He asked me to identify if I found any photos of suspect number 3 on the phone.
Wase ke uyangicela ke ukuthi ngibheke khona lapho ukuthi ngabe ngiyayibona yini izithombe zomsolo wesithathu kuleyo phone
And if he got any dreadlocks.
nokuthi ngabe unama dreadlocks na.
And just for record purpose, these are the downloads that were done by Sergeant Mabasa.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo lawo ma downloads enzwa uSergeant Mabasa.
Now if we go to this picture was taken on the 26th of October at 05:51 p.m.
Uma sibheka lezi zithombe ke okanye lesi sithombe silana kuyisithombe sathathwa ke nge-26 sika October 2014 isikhathi besithi 05:31 p.m.
If we go to the information which you receive here, you can see here he sits with his dreadlocks.
Yeah. Sorry, me and you understand this type of evidence. Just zoom in so that it's enlarged, so that the accused can actually see the enlargement.
I'm just afraid it can be blurry, but okay, it's fine.
Yeah, no, I'm with you. Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
But at least that's the maximum enlargement.
Okay, let me try another one. Maybe we can. Is it fine?
And the accused, please, if you want to see that photo, all of you, you can go one by one and look at the photo so that when Colonel Stein says whatever about those pictures, you are able to follow and understand. The advocates, the counsels, are you with me?
ukuthi nize nizobheka uma ku lezo leyithombe lezi umuntu ngamunye sizoza one by one size la sizobheka nikhululekile ukuthi ngiyeza nizobheka lezi lokhunjana uma ubaba uStein lokho ekhuluma ngazo lezi zithombe.
What is the time now, Mr. Baloyi?
It's 11:51.
What?
11:51.
Oh, 11.
In light of the arrangement that we made in chambers, can you just proceed, my lord?
Yeah, no, I'm with you. So let's the first gentleman, accused number 1, go there and look at the photos you want to refer to, Colonel.
Uma ngabe mhlawumbe uyafuna ke
And number 2 can follow, number 3 can follow, number 4 can follow,
Yes.
number 5, and the councillors can follow thereafter. So that nobody at hayi mina ngigqeqelisa ke.
yabona ngeza nawe uzoyibhekela ukuthi hayi yabona lezi zithombe lezi hayi ngiyazazi wena ngizazi yikho mina lapho yabona senjalo asiqale ngawe ke manje lokuqala ngeza.
Where's accused 1?
If
If you don't want to go there, fine, no problem. Except that the court has a duty to explain and interpret your rights, to have a look at it. If you don't want to, it's no problem.
uma ngabe awufuni ukuza ukuzobheka akunankinga la kodwa uma ngabe uyafuna ukuthi uzobhekisisa la ukwazi phela ukukhonsela inselelo phela ey'ntweni ey'thize mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi asizona ungeza uzobheka ubhekisise.
So, so accused number 1 says he's okay.
Okay, right? All right? All right.
Even accused 2 says he's okay, right? 3?
No, okay, little right. Yeah, but all of the accused persons, my lord, confirm that they are okay with it.
Counsel, you are aware of this because you've got them in your discovery.
That is black and
Hello?
white. They are too fuzzy in black and white.
Yeah, you can go and watch them if you want to. If you want to find out or to ask anything, you can approach your clients.
But these pictures are blurry, man. I don't know if
Hello?
they're a true reflection of what the state has. These
No,
ones are
no,
blurry,
Mr.
but
Minister,
blurry.
go and look at the picture. Then, under cross-examination, you can tell Colonel what you're telling me now.
My lord, I also mentioned that Sergeant Mabasa will bring a full print.
Okay, okay. Sergeant Mabaso, ne?
Yes.
The more I look, my eyes, the more they get dark.
Yeah, I can understand. Okay, fine.
Yes, you may,
Okay, yeah.
you may proceed. Yes.
Okay. Here, I just want to indicate to the court where stands item type GPEG. GPEG image.
GPEG, right?
That's correct. Image.
Yeah.
That means that the photo has been taken by the cell phone.
The photos were taken by the cell phone.
That's correct.
Okay.
manje ke lapha uhlelo olusetshenzisiwe ke ukuthatha lezi ithombe kusho khona ke ileliyana okuthiwa i-GPEG kubonisa khona ukuthi iy'thombe ezathathwa nge-cellphone lezi.
But it's taken on the 2014-10-25 at 04:47 p.m.
Kanti ke lezo ithombe zathathwa nge-25 zika October 2014 isikhathi besithi 04:47 p.m.
In others, when in relation to the incident,
That's the day before the incident.
The day before. Okay.
That's correct.
Shuthi kwaba usuku phambi kwesuku lwesigameko makuthathwa lezi ithombe.
Then the next photo taken on the phone the same day before the incident.
Kanti ke esinye isithombe noma iy'thombe zathathwa ngalolo suku phambi kwelokhu njani ke kwesigameko.
And here we can see that also is a JPEG image, also a photo taken by the phone at 11:51 a.m.
Kanti ke kwaba ke i-JPEG image isikhathi kwaba 11:51 a.m.
And that indicates that on the day before the incident, they're also wearing his beige clothes.
Bekubonakala ke ukuthi ube igqokele ke impahla zakhe ke zasekhaya usuku.
you say here, just for record purposes, just mention the number of the accused.
Suspect number 3.
Sikhuluma ngo
Number 3.
That's correct.
umsola wesithathu begqokele impahla zakhe ke beige
Beige clothing.
impahla zakhe ke ezinalo umbala beige.
And just the hairstyle,
It's not that clear. I will wait for Sergeant Mabasa's
yes.
photo, but it's the red locks, but it will be better if it's a big photo.
Manje
Yeah, but
ekhanda
I hear you. But you can't comment, in other words,
That's,
about the hairstyle.
that's correct. Let me,
For all of those images, you can't.
bethe phambilini uzocela ke usergeant kusho ukuthi uzolinda yena usergeant Mabasa ukuthi ezo ke ezochaza ke malana ke mayelana nokuthi ekhanda babenzeni okanye kakhulukazi yena umangalelo wesithathu.
on this photo, you can see the dreadlocks is behind his head. It's a sort of a photo.
No, just repeat it. I can hear you.
Sure.
Other people must hear you also.
On this photo, the dreadlocks is been together like a pony style.
Now, when you say the dreadlocks, I hear you, but whose dreadlocks are you talking about on that photo?
Suspect number 5, suspect
Right.
number 3.
Suspect number 3. Okay, fine. Dreadlocks of suspect number 3.
That's good.
Kulesi sithombe ke kubonakala ama dreadlocks lana futhi aboshiwe njengasemuva uthi aboshwe njenge ponytail. Kanti ke sikhuluma ngama dreadlocks ka umsola wesithathu.
You just open the previous pictures. That one in the middle, can you just zoom in on it?
Which
The one in the middle.
It's also blurry, but it's also not clear, but it will be clear if Saza Mabasa bring
Okay.
the big picture.
So the middle photo is blurry.
If you go out, yeah.
Okay.
nalesi sithombe esemaphakathini lana esikhonjiwe asibonakali kahle naso
Okay.
kodwa ke uSergeant Mabasa uzokwazi ukuthi aqaqise kahle ugqame.
Then also on the 26th of October at 11:51,
Nange 26 October 11:51.
oh no, that's just the one we just discussed. Now the next one, it's on the 26th of October, 05:28 p.m.
Sesiyenzile ke leyo le landelayo ithi i-26 October 2014 isikhathi 5:28 p.m.
That's actually just before the incident, where he was also wearing his beige clothing.
Manje ke isikhashana nje phambi kokuthi kwenzeke lesigameko nakhona ubeloko egqoke lezo impahla zakhe ke ezibeige.
And to this photo as well, it's also clear that there is some dreadlocks with him.
Na kulesi sithombe ke sesikhonjiwe khona lana kuzama ukugqamanyana ukuthi kunama dreadlocks lapho ekhanda lakhe.
Sorry, please, just be clear, Colonel. You're saying even on that day, at 5:28 on the 26th of
October.
October,
That's right.
who was still wearing whatever?
The suspect number 3.
Yes.
Suspect number 3 was still wearing his beige clothing,
That's correct.
right? Suspect number 3 is still wearing his beige clothing, fine?
That's correct.
And what else did you say?
That's all I was requested to do.
Yeah, okay.
Ngalelo suku ke nge-26 October 2014 5:28 p.m.
And the
Umsola
dreadlocks, my
lona
lord, on that picture.
ubeloko egqoke lezo impahla zakhe ezibeige.
Sorry, maybe I'm interfering too much, but I just want to understand. When you talk about suspect number 3 was still wearing his beige clothing, are you actually looking at him also? Or you just looking at the photo?
I'm just looking at the photo.
You are not looking at him?
No.
Please do us a favor. Maybe you are mentioning the wrong person. Do you see any person there whose
That's correct.
image looks like what you refer to as suspect number 3 on those photos?
But I'm working on information I received
No.
from the investigation
Look,
officer.
it's not hearsay evidence. You are looking at the photo
Yes.
and you're seeing Nelson Mandela there. And I'm saying to you, when you look at those persons there, do you actually see the image of Nelson Mandela there? That's all I'm...
Yeah. Then it's suspect number 3.
Yeah. You know what? It's important that people understand the evidence. Me and you have done this for 40 years.
That's true, my lord.
But, you know, the people in court, okay?
Yes,
So you
correct.
actually see the image of the person you say is suspect number 3.
That's correct, my
And
lord.
who is that person there?
That's number 3 in the middle of the 5.
Okay, thank you.
And the name?
I know his nickname is Carlos. The name is Mtonzi Gala Mkumbu.
Tonzi?
Gatla.
Yeah, Gaza. Okay.
Just spell the same.
Mtobisi Gadla Mngube. Mtobisi Gadla Mngube.
Okay.
Uthi ke uma ngibheka nje khona lana kulesi sithombe lezi ithombe esiloko sibheka lana kule computer lana lesi sithombe esiyikhethileyo engiloko ngithi ususpect number 3 isithombe sesikamangalelwa wesithathu la enkantolo uthi yena lo ohlale khona lapha emaphakathini kulaba mangalelwa abahleli lapha phambi kwenkantolo uyena lo akhuluma ngayo.
I just want to draw the attention to the court, like I mentioned yesterday, the +2 hours.
The?
The +2 hours.
Oh, the +2, yeah.
That's right, because it's a download.
That's it, yeah.
Okay.
Ngithanda ukusho ke ukuthi isikhathi kumele sifake ngiyawakhumbula lamahora awu2 kumele siwafake phezulu uma sikhuluma ngama download Nkatolo lo bekhumbule lo. Futhi abamangele nabakhumbule lo.
Then the next photo from cell phone number 27727668169, also taken from the phone on the 26th of October, 05:28 p.m. plus 2 hours, that's 07:28 then.
Kanti-ke okunye kwathathwa-ke wathathwa kuleyo cellphone nala number leyana 2727668169 nge-26 ka-October.
There is a, like I also already mentioned, of his base clothing and the dreadlocks.
Njengoba sengishilo-ke ubefake-ke iy'mpahla zakhe-ke ezi-beige ne-dreadlocks ekhanda.
No, we're done with this one.
Sorry, I'm sorry to be laborious. Just mention the 2 hours. I'll tell you why. I'm with you because I'm following the evidence. You said, for instance, it's at 5:28 p.m., right? When you were referring to the photo which was taken.
That's correct, 5:28 p.m.
Now, that is the download.
That's the download, yes.
Then you add 2 hours on top of that.
That's correct.
Then tell you so that we all understand.
Then it's going to be 1900,
That's it.
1900 hours, 28.
So it becomes 7 o'clock. Because somebody will come and say, oh, yeah, never. Let's start at 5 o'clock, let's talk. So it becomes 1900?
That's correct, 1900 hours and 28 seconds.
19?
In other words, 7:30.
Yeah, fine.
And the previous one on page 42, the one,
Masifaka lamahora awu-2
the one of,
isikhathi sizothi sizosuka ku-5 o'clock ntambama sithi 7 o'clock ebusuku izothi 1928 minutes sithi izothi 7 mhlambe 7:30 ebusuku.
the one of 0447,
First one, 0447.
Yeah.
The one on the 25th of October, 0447. Other words, it will be plus 2, then it will be 1647. Other words, 10 to 5. More or less 10 to 5.
Okay.
If you you say if you put 2 hours on the 10 to 5, it's going to be how much?
06, 1847. Oh, sorry. 04, then it becomes 06, 1847, so it's 10 to 7.
Okay.
Lena ke velela lana ke ithi 04:47 p.m. masifaka u2 hours izothi 06:47 cishe nje kube u10 to 7 ntambama okanye ebusuku.
thank you. Do you want to add anything else?
No, I'm fine with this one, my lord.
And do you confirm the correctness of your report
That's correct.
and stand by it?
I stand by it. It's all the information I received, which I analyzed.
Futhi ke ngiyaqinisekisa ke ukuthi konke lokho kulana ke i-report yami iqondile.
There's also exhibit O in brackets 2 that we referred to yesterday. Do you confirm the correctness of that
That's correct.
report and stand by it?
I stand by it.
Yebo ne exhibit O
Then,
sikhulume ngayo izolo kubethwe yiyo leyo exhibit O kuyiqiniso futhi ke kuqondile.
Colonel, there's only one aspect remaining, the distance from the crime scene at 13511 Kutano Street, Zama section in Katohong, to the hostel.
That's correct.
Are you able to determine that from the records that you have?
No, it's not possible. I can only do it when I got access to internet, to Google Earth. Then I can from the towers I can establish that, or I can physically go to the scene, the distance between the house and the hostel.
Shuthi ke lokho ngakwenza ukuthi ngicheke ibanga kusuka lapha nemzamo ufika lapha kule Cellphone Tower. Ngakwenza lokho kwanje usuke emzamo ufika khona lapha yana ehostel ngakwenza ukuthi mhlawumbe ngichethe kwi-Google or ngivele ngiye khona laphana kuleyo ndawo ukuthi ngiyoyihlolela.
As a court, please, my lord, that is all that you wanted to take up with this witness. That's
Witness.
save for that one aspect that is
Yeah,
outstanding. Yes, yeah, the distance.
Fine.
In light of the arrangements that have been made, perhaps we can adjourn at this stage. We just need, my lord, to check the availability of the witness for next